Welcome everyone to today's session on stakeholder management in our road construction project. Today, we'll be focusing on a specific example, constructing a road funded by private investors through the county government. Let's start by identifying the key stakeholders involved in this project. Firstly, we have the private investors who are funding the construction. Their primary interest lies in the project's financial viability and return on investment. For the private investors, it's crucial to provide regular updates on project progress, budget utilization, and any potential risks that might impact their investment. Next, we have the county government representing the public interest. They are concerned with the road's impact on the community, compliance with regulations, and overall infrastructure development. To address the county government's concerns, we must ensure transparency in our construction process, engage with local authorities for necessary permits and approvals, and prioritize safety and environmental considerations. Now, let's discuss strategies for effective stakeholder management. Stakeholder identification. Start by identifying all potential stakeholders and their interest in the project. This ensures no stakeholder is overlooked. For example, for local communities, conduct surveys and hold town hall meetings to gather feedback and identify community concerns related to the road construction project. Stakeholder analysis. Understand the needs, expectations, and concerns of each stakeholder group. This helps tailor communication and engagement strategies accordingly. For example, conduct focus groups with environmental groups to understand their specific concerns about potential ecological impacts of the road construction. Incorporate their feedback into environmental impact assessments and mitigation plans. Clear communication. Maintain open and transparent communication channels with stakeholders. Regular updates, progress reports, and feedback mechanisms foster trust and collaboration. For example, provide regular project updates to private investors through investor meetings and financial reports. Clearly communicate any changes in project timelines or budget allocations. Engagement opportunities. For example, establish a community advisory panel consisting of representatives from local neighborhoods and businesses. Invite them to provide input on design options, traffic management plans, and community outreach strategies. Address concerns proactively. Anticipate potential issues or concerns raised by stakeholders and address them promptly. This demonstrates responsiveness and commitment to stakeholder satisfaction. For example, proactively address transportation authorities' concerns about traffic disruptions during construction by developing a comprehensive traffic management plan. Implement measures such as alternative routes, temporary traffic signals, and public awareness campaigns to minimize inconvenience to commuters. Thank you all for joining me today as we explored stakeholder management in our road construction project. Remember, by understanding and engaging with our stakeholders effectively, we can build not just roads, but also trust and collaboration within our community. Until next time, keep working together to create positive impact through our construction projects.